It's a program, community education program, part of the public school systems in Minnesota. We are a unique program to this state. Our main audience is parents with children birth to 5. We do classes for them where parents come together with their children to do activities that are age appropriate, to learn about parenting, to get support, to get education. It's the first connection that families have with the school district because we want to support families from the beginning of their journey as parents, and part of supporting them is being involved in their lives and helping them understand.
What I like most about the ECFE classes is you have the parent-child time you start with. So your kids, you're not just dropping them and they're having anxiety because you're going to be leaving. And my girls always say, is this the day you stay, Mom? Is this the day you stay? So they love it, and they know it's their time with me. And then I like that there's all kinds of activities in the room that we can do with our children that are developmentally appropriate, and they're different from what we have at home. So it's always new.
Our classic ECFE classes have 3 components: parent-child interaction, guided play for children, and then parent education. The first part, parent-child interaction, is an opportunity for parents and children to play together in a room with developmentally appropriate toys and a lot of different activities that they may not do at home. The second piece of the program is children are alone in the classroom with the teachers doing, again, play-based activities, because play is how children learn, and we are trying to help kids as they move on their journey towards kindergarten to learn how to foster their curiosity and their inquiry and help them play to learn.
The benefit of having parent interaction. I can meet with other parents who, maybe are going through the same struggles that I am, and to have that parent piece and be able to make friendships and contacts with other parents who have maybe been through some of the things that I'm just now going through and who can give advice and support is just an incredible, incredible thing.
There's no book out there that can offer you what I have gotten from the parent ed piece. I have learned so much from parent ed. I may even get a little emotional on you because to me being a parent is the hardest thing I've ever done. And without the support here of parent ed, I just don't think I could be the parent that I am today.
As our culture has changed, we are also finding that though there's a core group of parents that continue to want that program, we are also trying to move into the era where social media is a lot of how parents learn. So we are instituting our Facebook page where we are trying to make that more interactive, where parents who cannot get to class with us can interact with our licensed teachers, with each other. We're looking into doing webinars or online kind of education so that the parents who can't get here can still have access to what we know and to create a different kind of support system. We are trying to move forward with continuing to find ways to bring a program that is very solid in terms of research and doing well by families to more people.
You learn so much about what ages and what stages and what they're supposed to be doing, and even appropriate toys and activities that you can be doing with them, and just the interacting with the parents and the friendships that you have. I highly recommend it for any parent of any age children.
What we are about in terms of what we believe here at ECFE is that parents are a child's first and most important teacher. And we are about supporting parents on this journey. And a piece of what we're also doing is helping them learn how do you be involved in your children's lives from the beginning and take that into the kindergarten, grade school years, that we are helping parents learn how to be advocates for their children, how to appreciate who their children are and what they can do and where they need to grow. That parenting is it's a really tough job. We're not living in an easy time, and our job is to really help make that a little easier and help parents have the support they need to get through that journey.